Hey everyone, welcome back. Ice King here, and we are into week 6 of Hobby Roundup. And oh boy, this has been a fun week. Not a lot of War Machine going on, but I know everyone on Facebook was very excited for this guy. Toxicon. Finished. I literally just finished the black base coat. He's going to get finished tonight, so this is just me a little time in. He looks amazing. Super happy with how he's turned out so far. But he will be done tonight for our bat rep tomorrow, as talked about in the podcast. I finished another big thing I worked on this week because I didn't do a lot of War Machine was I finished my Devil Fruit project. For the most part, I have to print out a few things. This one I'm most happy with. Kind of see the gradients here, and that's the whole point. You know One Piece, you know whose fruit this is, but this is the Flame fruit. Makes sense, fire and stuff. Got a little bit of things in there. Those still come off. But yeah, this turned out really good. I won't show all of them. But I got the Gum fruit, the fruit for Luffy. Super happy with this. And then I did a couple of the stems are done too. These are 3D printed and then painted. That was super fun. I'm glad I finally got that done. I have to print and do 2 more stems for that. And then tonight, while editing, in between edits videos, I'm going to build 3 more models for the bat rep tomorrow. I forgot I needed to do these. I got my Ice Queen Linissa mini crate, my Asira Sybil of Dusk. Dusk, funny, haha, it's coming. Or they're on their way. Got these 2 mini crates to build, and then I got the Chimera Jack to build, which shouldn't be too bad. I was looking at it. I'm gonna have to do some pretty heavy cutting, it looks like, just to kind of cut that off and drill that down. But it's just gonna be like a initial build, enough to get the model on the table. That's like the important part, is get it on the table tomorrow. Like, yep, and that's really it. I'm just gonna get it ready, go on the table tomorrow. We're gonna play some good games tomorrow. Very excited. Those will be fun. And yeah, so short week for me. I didn't do much. Hope you guys did your projects and you're keeping up with your stuff. I'm very happy I'm getting him done too this week. And then last week finishing the Orgoth, this week finishing this and the Devil Fruits. It's been a good week for me. Overall, like, it's a little bit of a mini tangent here. It's just been a good week, man. I don't know. Knock on wood, something. It's been a good week. Next week I go on vacation, which I'm very excited about. And then I get back Christmas weekend to spend Christmas here with my wifey. And it's just gonna be a nice quiet few weeks off from the Hobby Roundup and the Frostcast, because we're gonna be on this weekend, Christmas next weekend, and then the following weekend will be the culmination of all that. We will have videos weekly for the VAT reps, so 1 a week. I think that's the goal, at the very least. So there's at least something out for you guys to have some content in between. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful next 2 weeks. Holidays, Christmas, if you celebrate. Otherwise, happy holidays. Take some time, spend it with some family, friends. Don't be alone. I'm always here if you want to chat too. I got my Discord if you want early access to the videos. Fun little plug right there. Haha. I know, right? And then yeah, hope you enjoy your time off. Get lots of hobbying done. I got lots of plans. My goals are to build some Gundams I've been slacking on, get these Devil Fruits printed and shipped to my buddy who they're for, and then just keep doing War Machine in the background. Maybe work on some of my Codor, finally get them started before the new Orgoth army boxes arrive. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful next 2 weeks. I said that already. I'm kind of rambling at this bit because I'm tired. Anyway, see you guys next week. No, not next week. I'm going to hit you with it. See you next year. All right, see ya.